So this is the R1250. SE. Wonderful colour scheme, very pretty. Love the BMW blue and the flash and motorsport colours going on there. Really good. Brembos, gold Brembos, anodised gold forks, beautiful paintwork, massive cylinders sticking out, nice frame, shaft drive, so no chain to clean and lubricate, nice shapes. This is what it's like to sit on it, so think of this as like a Boxster super naked from BMW. So there's no fairings, no wind protection. That's just part of having a super naked or a naked bike. Don't put a screen on this, you ruin the looks and the styling here. The paint is wonderful. This is for a sat-nav. And then you've got things like cruise control, menu buttons, suspension modes. You've got actually a very nice TFT display here. Fairly not too bad of a border. The screen will look very good because BMW do very clear graphics on the TFTs. Keyless start. Wonderful.